All right, so you need two things. We already got the 4. Okay, f of 4, 16 minus 12 is 4. It's in the denominator. They told you the formula for this, so this is really kind of stupid. And they allowed you to use a calculator for it. Yeah, whatever. Okay, when to use the second derivative test? If they make you calculate the second derivative, chances are really good that it's useful to use the second derivative test. If they don't, you want to use the second derivative test whenever you have two variables, because you can't approach it from the left and the right if y is also varying. Okay, so this one I think we can do with a regular first derivative test number line thing. F prime, first you have to check to see if f prime is going to be 0.
Or undefined.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so we have a potential max or min. Draw the number line. 4 minus 2x over thingy squared changes sign from, if let's see, positive if x is not big enough. So positive on this side, negative on that side. So okay. Value of k for which f has a critical point at x equals -5, k minus 2x equals 0. So, because the fraction equals 0 when the top is 0. Be careful with this. It's k plus 10 is 0. K isn't 10. K is -10. Fine. K is 6. Ooh, partial fractions.
Which they have
those
done.
Rarely done open responses with partial fractions. Don't forget A is on the top and B is on the top. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of horribleness. Okay, A gets multiplied by x minus 6. Remember, you're breaking it up with common denominators, and the common denominator is x times x minus 6. So don't put A and fight B in the denominator. And after all, you've done partial fractions a lot. Okay, how do you get two equations out of this if you just have a 1 on the left side? Don't forget it's 0x, so 0 equals ax plus bx. That means A and B are opposites, incidentally. Okay, and B. So we're going to integrate -1/6 over x and +1/6 over x minus 6. Strong suggestion, suck the 1/6 out. Because we don't know whether x is positive or negative, you should actually use the absolute value. Don't forget 1/6 infects everything. plus C. Okay, point 5. Oh, I completely forgot a negative. Hold on a second. Negative 1/6 on the first one. All right, now point 5. Okay, 2 points for this, which is throwing p's at it. 1 point for the slope, 1 point for the equation. 2 points for this, 1 point for looking at f prime, 1 point for the answer with justification number line. This is 1 point just for the answer. This is 2 points for the partial fraction decomposition and 2 points for the antiderivative. I don't know how they broke that down. That's what they said.